Hello everyone, you are welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you a complete step-by-step guide on how to register for the FUTMINNA 2026/2027 Post-UTME screening exercise. So we are going to go through the entire process together, from payment, document upload, O-level entry, all the way to the final submission. So whether you're applying for yourself or helping someone else, this video will help you avoid mistakes and complete your application successfully. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so here we are on the FUTMINNA Post-UTME Registration Portal. So one noticeable change for the 2026 Post-UTME is that there is an updated interface, which is now cleaner and easier to navigate. I think the previous one is kind of white in color, while this one is now in purple. That's for the interface. So I'm going to put the link in the description of this video, the link to this web page. So before proceeding, I strongly advise applicants to carefully read the information displayed on the portal. So on the first page, we have three important sections: the O-level and the UTME combinations. So this section contains approved UTME and O-level subject combinations, including newly approved programs highlighted in red. FUTMINNA just approved, some couple of courses like nuclear science, nuclear engineering, and other courses. So applicants should carefully check this combination to ensure they possess both required core subjects and optional subjects needed for application into their chosen courses. So it's really important. So next up is the cutoff mark section. So applicants must ensure they meet minimal cutoff mark for the course they are applying for. For example, cybersecurity is 200, computer science 200, doctor of pharmacy 230, medicine and surgery 250. So always confirm the cutoff mark for the preferred course before proceeding. It's really important. So next up we have is the guidelines. So for applicants who intend to complete the registration by themselves, take your time to carefully read through the guidelines provided. By doing this will help you reduce errors and ensure an accurate application. You get? So every detailed steps has been put down on this place. So if you intend to do this by yourself, I'm gonna say read this step by step. It's gonna guide you. So that's for that. So in summary, ensure you meet up with the cutoff mark and also the UTME and O-level combination. These two are really important. So alright, so on the right hand side you'll see the registration countdown and deadline information. The deadline is 9th of August 2026. Alright, now let's begin the application process. So to log in, you will need your JAMB registration number, one of your name exactly as it appears on your JAMB record, just one of your names. So enter the details and click login to application. So once validated, your information will be displayed. So here we are on the applicant dashboard. So the dashboard is divided into three main sections. We have the candidates data at the right hand side. You're going to find your personal information like your email address, your phone number, and your contact address. Then next up we have is the academic data at the center. So at the center of it, academic data, this is where you're going to enter your O-level details and grade. So that's for that. Then next up we have is the JAMB candidate data, which is on the left hand side. So you're going to see your JAMB, your JAMB course choice, the subjects scores, and also aggregate information. So you're going to see something very noticeable here. There is a green statement indicating that the candidate meets up with the admission requirements. So that's for that. Then below the section, I think that's where you're going to upload your scan O-level result and also verify the passport photograph, which is fetched automatically from your JAMB record. So the very first thing you're going to do on this platform is to make a payment, as the statement is there indicating. So you click on the payment, which is by the left panel. So this should take us to the screening fee page, and you just click on it, and so this should display basic information like name, email address, and the amount you are paying for. So the screening fee is just 2,000 naira here on the platform. So you just confirm your details and click on pay now. So this should pop up a summary for us, and also this should generate an RR for us as well. So let's click that. So we are waiting. So it says click payment. Yeah, this is a summary page which has the pay ID, the RR number, and also the amount you are paying for. So feel free to save the invoice if you wished, and then you click on make a payment. So this should take us to Remitter interface platform. So Remitter is a very popular payment gateway used by many federal government institutions. So this should display the RR number again. So the RR is a number you can use to track your payment in case this payment fails. So try and copy it and save it somewhere, and just confirm some of this basic information, and then you click on submit. So afterwards, this should take us to the payment option method. So for payment option method, the first thing you're going to see is card method, but I'm not going to use card for this video. I'm going to use bank transfer, which is quite easy. So for bank transfer, you are just expected to click on bank transfer, and then you copy the one-time account number provided. You can make this payment by using your OPay, your Money Point, or any commercial bank app and make this payment. So before paying, ensure that you check the account number correctly, copy it and paste it, and check the bank name and also the exact amount you are paying for. Please, the exact amount. For example, this is 2,161.25 naira. So ensure you put these details. Every details matters. And after which you just use your platform there and send. So once you are done sending, you now just come and click I have paid the money and allow the portal to run the process automatically. Sometimes the platform does everything automatically. So ensure you have a very good network at this point. So ensure no call interruption. So this should just run automatically. And so here we are now done with our payment. Payment is successfully done. So we are going to just verify our passports once again. I'm now in the upload section. So just verify the passport, because this passport is already from your JAM record. So feel free to check it if you want to. And then next up is we are going to upload our O-level result, your NECO, WAEC, or whatever. And so we are going to upload it in the O-level first. And then I think there is an option indicating that O-level second. That is for those that are combining two results. You upload one result up and you upload one in the second, which is optional. Very important, especially those that are combining WAEC and NECO together. Please take note. So that's where we're going to put that. So that's for that. So let's now just start with the upload. We're now going to upload our document. For O-level upload, just click on that first result, and then you click on the particular file you want to upload, and then you just pick that very particular file that is on your PC or your phone, and then you just wait after some seconds. You get, and this should upload successfully. So afterward, feel free to check the file and be sure of what you have uploaded. You get, it is really important for you to check what you have uploaded in case you make any error during the upload process. So we are now done with the upload. So next up is we are now going to enter the O-level details. So just pick the exam type, either WAEC, NECO, or NAPTEP. So you pick that, and then you enter your examination number. That's for WAEC. For NECO, you enter your reg number, or for NAPTEP, reg number, and then you select the exam date. You can pick any date randomly, but please ensure the year matches with that result here. You get, you could just pick August or July as the month and pick any day you prefer. And after which you enter your grade. FUTMINNA is a science technological inclined school, so English and math is really important, and some core science courses. So we are just going to I'm not trying to let's now put the grade. So we now have for mathematics, and then we are going to put the grade for other courses as well. So that's for that, and ensure you check everything very well at this stage. Ensure the grades meet up with what you are cross-checking and you are imputing, and check all the courses. I think it's even suggesting some courses that tallies with what you need. Your JAM, this is where your O-level combination is really important. You're going to pick just 5. So that's for that. So just cross-check every information and ensure that you do everything correctly. So I think if you have done all of these things, then you are now done with the registration process. So just cross check, and I'm about to submit the application already. So I think there's nothing more to do. I'm just trying to check, and please confirm every details, and then at this stage I'm now submitting the application. So alright, so a notification will appear showing that online screening submission status. So that's the status, and then you have submitted your document for screening slash clearance. So FUTMINNA will review your details and now clear you. So you are advised to kindly check your portal regularly after submission. Because the status is going to change as time goes on. So we're just going to save a copy of this for ourselves. You can always check back on your portal anytime you're going to see your document, but I'm just going to save it, have a copy of it for myself. So that's for that. So you see, FUTMINNA post-UTME registration step by step is quite very easy to do. Just check you meet up with the requirements, then you make your payment, you check your basic candidate data, academic data, and then your jam data, and then you upload your details. So it's really easy to do that. So once again, always review your portal regularly for your clearance status. So that's all for this video. Please, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share with your friends as well. So I'm going to bring a lot about FUTMINNA as time goes on. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.